Welcome back to another Music Theory Minutes video. I say welcome back because you really want to have seen these two videos, and this video wouldn't hurt either. In broad strokes, a scale is a pattern or a template. Back in the day, you could buy clothing patterns and you could put them on different fabrics and come out with roughly the same results. Scales are kind of like that, except they are a pattern of intervals. And once you know the pattern, you can use it to play a major scale starting on any note. Pretty cool, huh? So should you learn to play a major scale? Short answer, yes. More on that later. Many of you already know the sound of a major scale using solfege or do, re, mi. The major scale is made mostly of whole steps or in the Queen's English tones, but it also uses half steps or semitones. There's two of them. Here are the tones or the whole steps. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la, ti. Between mi and fa and ti and do, you have semitones or half steps. Mi, fa, ti, do. Let's put it another way. A major scale is a pattern of two tones followed by a semitone, followed by three tones, and followed lastly by one semitone. A C major scale is made of all natural notes, and it looks like this on the piano keyboard. See the semitones here between the mi and fa and ti and do? That's where the black keys are missing. Grab your ukulele. Let's play some major scales together. Let's play a C major scale on our ukulele, and it starts with our open C string. C, you skip the first fret and go to the second fret to D, skip a fret to E. Here's that half step or semitone right next door, F. Then we skip a fret to G, skip a fret to A, skip a fret to B, and right next door is C. Let's do it on the E string, starting with your open E, skip to the second fret, F sharp, skip a fret to G sharp, and then there's the half step or semitone, A right next door, skip a fret to B, skip a fret to C sharp, skip a fret to D sharp, and right next door, half step or semitone away is E. Playing a scale on a single string is not the most practical way to play, so let me show you a pattern that you can use that doesn't implement open strings, and you can do this all over your instrument. Let's start on the second fret of the C string, which is a D, and it goes D, E. You have to use an F sharp to keep it a whole step or a tone, then G, A, B, and C sharp has to be used to make it a whole tone, and then that half step or semitone to D. Let's play it backwards, just for kicks. D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Let's play an E scale using that same pattern. This time, we are going to start on the fourth fret of the C string, and it goes like this. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. And just for fun, I'll sing it using solfege going down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. I hope you find this pattern super useful. Okay, so you really do want to learn scales, and not just the major scale on your instrument, but minor scales, blues scales, pentatonic scales. You want to learn to play them so that you can play walk-ups. And we sang every song that driver knew, free hearts just or walk downs. Or maybe a riff. It would also help you play chord melody arrangements too. And You will just know and love your ukulele better if you can play scales on it, and as a bonus, it might help your singing too. Okay, time to practice that major scale, but before you do, are you ready to test your knowledge? I've got a quick quiz down below. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell too. It helps support this channel. And if you're a ukulele player and want rewards and to support my charity efforts, join me on Patreon. If not, you can buy me a cup of coffee or share a super thanks. I am a real person, and now I have a dog and a puppy, and neither of them give a hoot about music theory. That's it for today. You can end your music theory training here or go to one of these videos perhaps.